You want to know the best way to make money online? No scam, no clickbait, valid, true skill sets that if you learn how to do these things well, you will make money online. If you learn how to do these things very well, you'll make a lot of money online. In this video, I'm going to break that down and more. Hey, this is Glendon Cameron, founder of HustlersKungFuDojo.com. Be sure to go below the video and grab your copy of YouTube for Business, how to sell stuff with video. It's literally my roadmap to making money online with something that I have done and currently am doing. Now let's jump into this video. You want to make money online, right? You want to make a lot of money online, right? Well, I'm going to tell you not one, not two, but 3 skill sets that if you teach yourself or learn or take a course or whatever you do, you're guaranteed to make money online. Skill set number 1, learn how to develop traffic. Everybody on the internets, everyone, me, YouTube, Facebook, everyone needs traffic. Now, all of these companies have developed their own traffic basis, which is why I'm here on YouTube, many people on Facebook and these other places. But I know it's hard, right? It's hard. That's why you're guaranteed to make money. If you learn how to develop traffic, even if you don't have a product, you will make money because so many people don't know how to develop traffic. Briefly, 2009, I started a blog. Briefly, 2009, it sucked ass and failed because I wasn't getting any traffic. I moved over to YouTube. I created this show. Then boom, I started to get traffic. And now I have a traffic base that I can send traffic pretty much where I want. I can send it to this website, to this offer. You got to learn how to develop traffic. And see, this is the thing. If you learn how to develop a small amount of traffic, you don't have to get YouTube, Facebook, Google, Amazon, or some other major website type traffic. If you carve yourself out a niche and learn how to derive a lot of traffic to that niche, you can make an incredible amount of money. That's a necessary fundamental skill. And for those of you who are like, hey, this is going to take some time, and you know what? You're absolutely correct. If you have 1 year, of Google AdWords experience, of Facebook ads experience that you're really good, you could go out and get a job for $70,000 to $100K a year with no degree. I know people who have done it. I know people who are doing it. What do you think a lot of these internet marketers who products and services don't work, what do you think they end up doing? They go work for someone else or they run someone else's campaigns for big money. The second most powerful skill that you must learn if you want to make money online is how to create an offer. Now, see, you didn't expect that because this is the thing. Once you develop traffic, that's one equation, and you could either send that traffic to your stuff or you can partner with someone. But if you learn how to develop traffic and you learn how to create offers, and an offer doesn't have to be monetary for all you people. It should be free. It should be free. For you folks, any offer, and this, for those folks, we're all selling something. You're either selling people on reading your blog, you're selling people on watching your videos, you're selling people on going wherever. All that is creating an offer, and the more compelling and the better your offers are, the more money you will make. Now, there's something that, that's people get confused. Like you create this offer, right? And you learn how to do traffic, but many people create the offer and never learn how to do traffic and wonder what goes on. For years, I've been talking about, like Gumroad was a good platform. Other things I've used a good platform, but this is the thing. Nothing affiliate marketing, because I get the, hey Glendon, what about affiliate marketing? What about it? Hey Glendon, what about drop shipping? What about it? Without traffic, none of these things work. Nothing. Without a good offer, none of these things convert. So you can get traffic, but you got to learn how to craft a compelling and wonderful offer. It's imperative. And this is the thing. The traffic the offer, they're all of equal proportions. It's not like, well, this one's less than this, because the thing is, if you get really good at developing traffic, you can make a lot of money working for other people. You get really good at developing traffic and you get really good at crafting offers, you can make a lot of money working for yourself. And the third skill that you need to learn how to do to make a lot of money online is learn how to become a digital marketer. It's very different. It's a mixture of creativity. It's a mixture of analysis, but marketing is so huge and it's going to go through many changes. But for you to get the traffic, to create the offer, you got to learn how to develop marketing, because marketing is kind of in the middle. They're all interlaced together because the offer should be in advance of getting the traffic, but you got to have the marketing abilities to craft the offer to set up the traffic. So all three are of equal importance. All three can make you money individually. If you become a traffic ninja, and that's all you know how to do. It's like, I don't know how to make products, but I can get 1 million hits to your website. That's $1 million a year for you. If you can get somebody 1 million hits to their website every month, and yeah, 1 million every month. Because go ahead, go to similarweb.com and look at some of your favorite websites and see how many hits they're getting. Because 1 million hits a month is massive for a website. You're on a dedicated server. That's massive. So if you learn to craft really good offers that convert, $1 million. You go out and find people. It's like, hey, I saw your offer, but let me tweak it a little bit, and this and this and this, and you get paid as a residual. So there's a lot of things that go on, but those are hands down the absolute best ways to make money online. There's nothing that's going to beat it, because you can't get around it. You're going to build your traffic, which is what I like to do. You're going to buy your traffic, or you're going to be recommended, which is influencer traffic. Those are the only 3 ways that you can get traffic online. That's it. That's it. There's nothing else you can do to get traffic to whatever you want them on the internets, man. Nothing. So dig hard, take another, tell yourself this year, and I speak in terms like this. This year, I'm going to learn Facebook ads. This year, I'm going to learn YouTube marketing. This year, I'm going to learn Instagram marketing. This year, I'm going to learn Pinterest marketing. This year, I'm going to learn how, Periscope. If you can learn how to drive a tremendous amount of traffic on any platform, that's money. If you can learn how to drive traffic on the big ones, YouTube, Facebook, Google Display Networks, it's crazy money, crazy money. So that's the best way to make money online. Now, if you're still here, and before you go, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Now, I've got a project. I have a program called Digital Citizen. And essentially, it's me teaching you exactly what I learned how to do to build this traffic, build this marketing, the whole shebang, but it's customized to you and your products. It's customized to what you want to do. It's very bespoke. So if that's something that you want, what you do is go below the video and click on the Digital Citizen application. And then just fill that out. And if we're a good fit, because the thing is, if you've got a product or a service that I just don't think that I can help you with, I'm not going to contact you. Been down that road before, and sometimes it's just better to put a round peg in a round hole versus putting a square peg in a round hole. Just fill out the application and we'll have a discussion about your future. So that's the deal.